Don't take what off?
Don't take the sticker off.
Oh, okay.
Who's crying?
The little puppy is crying.
Oh, that's the little puppy?
The little puppy.
Oh.
I can see it. I can see it. The little puppy.
No, little puppy's right there.
Hey. The
Are you gonna pet the little puppy?
The little puppy.
You're gonna give him some kisses? Oh, what a nice little puppy.
What's his name?
Lewis.
Oh, his last name is Lewis?
Yeah.
It's very interesting.
Or as Fletcher would say, Ruis.
He's having some food.
Oh, he's having some snacks?
Oh, it's nice of you to feed the little puppy.
Does he like cheese? Does he like dairy products?
Oh, good.
Is that puppy's name Kiwi?
Yeah, Kiwi.
Kiwi Lewis?
Kiwi Lewis. Kiwi Lewis.
Kitty Woois?
I go hold the little puppy.
Oh.
The little puppy is crying.
Oh, what's he crying about?
The daddy.
Oh, he wants his daddy?
Yeah.
Maybe you can be his daddy.
Yum, yum, yum.
What are you eating, quesadilla? Are you gonna dip it in some sour cream?
Yum,
Mmm.
yum.
Oh, the little puppy had some?
And yum, yum.
Is it good?
Mm.
Mmm.
Did you just press down on the soft spot on little puppy's head?
Uh-oh, you don't want little puppy to eat his family.
Oh, the little puppy's a cannibal.
Yum, yum. The little puppy has a family right there.
Oh, that's his family? Are you gonna eat some of his family?
Mm.
Oh. Is his family delicious?
Yeah.
Oh.
Is that good? Mm.